Oh, for fuck's sake, I just sat down, you asshats.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Stafford County in northern southeastern County in northern Virginia, central Culpeper County in northern Virginia, southwestern Prince William County in northern Virginia until 6:15 p.m. At 5:29 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Buellton, Oregon, 8 miles east of Culpeper, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations and packages include Bealeton, Remington, Midland, Elkwood, Stevensburg, Brandy Station, Moyes, Heflin, Storm, Morrisville, Hartwood, Somerville, Goldline, Superduck, and Bristersburg. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Alright, you got anything else to scare me with?
Now for the official
I hope
National
not.
Weather Service forecast.